Facebook Live, Fadiah Qisthina. Oh yeah! Good morning everyone. It's actually not morning. It's actually like what is the time now, Anin?
I don't know.
11:34.
11:34.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. Today, but it's not actually that hot today. Today is mid rainy today, but it's 7:20 now.
Yeah. It's not 7:30 anymore. It's 11:34. So
It's
yesterday.
11:24.
Yeah. Yesterday we cut your hair, right?
Yeah, yesterday my hair just fall out.
Mommy cut your hair yesterday, right? Don't you like that? It's still like this pretty.
It gets over the way. Over the way, I'm just like worrying they're doing that when mom's gets a big grown up. Mom gets that hair too, but they didn't because I'm a mommy. Because I really
You're so cute.
and they already I'm gonna talk again. Yes, Jimmy. Yes, only 3 dogs in one way, but I'm already worried something else. Oh yeah. And then now this my little knock sang kita. Lucky knock. Kina, cuckoo. Gotta kina. And then scribe and then say lady daddy. It's gonna say this very percent. You now it's today. It's the 32nd late. Second thing. Peon. And let's stand. This time we need to buy something else when I always do that every day.
You wanna have gummy bear?
Gummy bear. Yum.
Come.
Can you open it?
Let me give you. How can you open? Gummy bear from Little Critters.
Look.
Yeah.
Gummy bear. Gummy bear. Cheers, I need the gummy bear.
Eat then. Yum. So guys, today is actually Saturday. There is a new movie from India. It's Telugu movie. It's called Sera. I forgot the name. So my husband gone there and watch. It's like patriotic movie. So it has a lot of war there. It's okay, you go and we'll just be at home. Actually, we wanna go to any like movie for a kid, that Yeti movie. It's that animation. I don't remember the name, but I shown her the trailer and she doesn't like it, so I have no choice. I just been home and cook for lunch. So today's lunch, I'm gonna cook a noodle. Actually, you will get this in Asian store and it's so cheap and you get this much. It can feed your family like for 5-6 people. Just eat this. And now let's cook. Have to be so strong. One more. Finally we are done. It's so tired. Now I'm done cutting this. Some carrots and bell pepper, the red one. Now we are ready to fry everything by using the wok. This one. Oh yeah. Now put the egg. So this literally just that, like that only, that's it, and you got your meal for less than $5. And you can eat this like it's so comfort, but it's not that junk food. It's still healthy because it has vegetables and everything, and eggs. And you get the protein, you get the fiber there, and you get the carbohydrate. So of course that's why it's comfort food, and it's fast and easy. That's Asian food, okay? That's easy, fast, and comfort, and it still have nutritious, delicious things. So now I'm gonna cook for my husband, and it's called bendakaya pulusu. Bendakaya means okra in Telugu. So my husband is from Telugu, so yeah, I know.
Hello everyone. I'm eating. Don't hear me.
So I'm done cooking, and now we are also almost done eating. So finishing up with eating this one. This thing called karabundi.
Yes, this got kaya bundi.
It's from India.
Yes. But it's actually like a dough.
It's actually spicy, you know, but she can eat it. We make this one from Crayola and melt in the oven for 5 minutes, I think, and she was so excited with this. You like this?
So we get melted for a while, and then it gets like a dough. Okay, we're full now.
Many hours later.
Do.
They do something here.
Do using this one.
Oh,
Come on,
Anil, hold it. Hold with 2 hands.
hang it. Oh, you want to jump like that? Okay, 1.
Wait a minute, let me take a picture of it.
Okay, come here. She wanna come. Come here.
Just play the bar.
Just wait. Okay. You wanna play the slide?
yeah.
Yeah. Come through this here. Come on. Wait. Anin, wait.
Okay.
It's actually smaller now. She's becoming taller, and her feet become so long.
Hey.
I didn't bring that tripod, that gorilla pot. If bring will be nice. So somebody has watching the movie and come home. What is the movie like?
It's very good and very patriotic, and one should definitely watch that movie, like, I mean, if they wish. It's like, it's not for India only, it's for like every country, like, for their own country, how to be a patriotic. And
Did you cry?
almost.
And then, how long the movie?
It's 2.5 hours.
Oh, this way is nice, right? It's not like brittling. So we are at the
Then go to your
Johnson. Left. Here. So we are now in Johnson Park. Cool, but nice because I got this new sweater from Walmart actually, and it is so nice, like a blanket, so soft. I like it.
Go. Road hole.
Yeah, I don't know.
Has road holes. Should say that.
We are back home from Walmart. We buy for grocery. So this iPhone is actually good, right? In the night. See me? Oh, I cannot see you. Can see me. Somewhat dark there. So this is the end of this vlog for today. Say good night.
Good night.
Say good night. Where is Anindya?
Good night.
Oh, the light is off. Let's turn on your light for one.
Goodbye.
Good night.
Good night.
See you later.
See you later.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.